To a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be writing some code in Python, kind of like a login check function, and I'm going to kind of try my best to explain why I write what, you know. So to first create the function, we gotta do this login check username password. I'm not sure, but I think this might only work if we have big capitals. I'm not sure though. At least it has to match what we write later. So now the if function, which if the if function basically tells something to only continue with it if it's true. So if we write something, it will return true. Yeah, if it works. So if big capital username, if username equals. And also, we have two instead of one of this symbol, because one only it's only for when you assign value to a variable or so on, and two is to show that it's equal. So username is equal to okay, let's just say my name, and big capital on password. Password same here with this two uh, equals 1 2 3 4. There. I forgot one thing. We have to include this because of the if function. If this is true, what do we want to return? We want to return true. All right. And oh, I think I kind of fucked up right there. Um, I don't know if we're outside of this. I hope not. I think we are. Okay, let's rewrite it real quickly. Password. Bam. Okay, else. So if this is not true, what we want to return, you can basically write whatever you want, but I think what most sites do is kind of just write something like invalid username or password. Bam. And now I'm not quite sure if we have to include this right here, but I think it's good to do. I don't know if it's already included here. That's the thing. But to assign value to username, you can do it like this. Password 1 2 3 4. Bam. And then we can write a login check. Login, then username, password. I think it's supposed to be like that. True. And now let's run the function. Login underscore check username. Or no, you know what? How do we test it again? I forgot how we test it so we can get an inaccuracy. If username print. I've forgotten how we test and try to get a result that try to get this result. Um, hmm. Okay, I think this is how we can just do it. um, Login check to call it, and then right here we write on that was wrong. Print login check, and now we write an inaccurate password or username. So I'm just gonna write Bob. Bob, because login check, we already have this right here, username password, so it already calls that, already knows that this right is the username, this right here is the password. Uh, I'm not sure if it has to be in capitals, but just in case, I don't think so, but just in case. Bam. And now it should return yes, invalid username or password, just like right here. And now we're basically done. I'm just gonna run the function. Hopefully there are no mistakes right now. Password. Bang. True. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm just showing what I've learned so far and trying to teach it to others. I'm not the best teacher because I don't know that much yet, but I'm getting there slowly but surely, and I'm happy to improve every day. So yeah, basically that's what I got for y'all today. See you on the next one.